I am Juan, I am the practice lead for software development here at Opencast. Principle, pragmatic, but the right kind of pragmatic, and human. So as a consultancy, there is a wide variety of projects that we do, mainly with the public sector, but also some private as well. And so there's a bit of a split between public and private sector. The majority of our projects sit within the public sector. We work with Gov. The exciting thing about that is we are doing something that helps our society, and there is, as a consultancy, there is a healthy balance between current technologies and also being at the very cutting edge of what we do. Okay, so I think there is quite a wide spectrum, again, as a consultancy, that different types of excitingness on challenges we've solved. So, for example, accessibility. We're working with Gov, making services accessible for people with different disabilities is a very interesting kind of challenge for someone techie, but very, very fulfilling. And then also there is the technical cutting edge challenges that we do as well within some of our clients, mainly private sector. Obviously, our consultants, they are extremely talented, and what we share across, the whole practice, which is our approach to software development. I am tremendously proud of that. We have very strong principles, and we are extremely pragmatic, but we balance that pragmatism in the right way to be able to deliver the most value for our clients. Yeah. Great means acknowledging that you are a software developer, embracing what being a software developer means, and approaching software development in a way that aligns with our perception of good, but above everything, embracing being a consultant. That is what great means for us. So beyond technical skills, what we always look for is great problem solvers. That is actually the main thing. Above your approach to software development, it's how you reason with a problem. Given a problem, how do you break it down into manageable chunks that allow you to do small steps forward? And if you are able to do that, then it means you've got the right mindset to be a consultant. And if you have the right mindset to be a consultant, then perhaps Opencast is for you. Development and growth. First of all, acknowledging the fact that there is two streams of growth within the company, which is you are growing technically, you are growing as a software developer, but you are also growing as a consultant. So it's kind of like pushing two careers forward. If you do that, then you'll be absolutely fine. But for us, growth is translated in terms of delivering projects on site and gradually stepping over the amount of ownership that you have on what you deliver. There is nothing worse than being stagnating on any role that you do, right? There is nothing worse than stagnating and feeling that you are stuck doing the same things over and over. The only way of getting out of that is by focusing on your growth. And my role as practice lead is that of an enabler of growth. And we have worked quite hard within Opencast to make sure that we have a strong support network that enables that growth. We have a healthy, strong, vibrant community of mentors, and we also have a great community. So within the practice, embracing the community is what will ultimately support you on your growth journey within the company. I would say that if you are passionate about software development done the right way, if you really care about what you do day to day, if you take pride on keeping things simple, and then if you like to have that variety of work, that constant change, that constant sense of learning, constant sense of being pushed to adopt a new technology or a new concept or approach to doing a certain thing, then working for Opencast is definitely for you.